Need more data on Boost Mobile temporarily? One-time add-ons are your solution. Purchase these data boosts directly through the Boost Mobile app on their website at boostmobile.com or by calling customer service at 1-866-402-7366. Add-ons range from 1 gigabyte to 100 gigabytes, with prices varying from $5 to $50. They provide immediate high-speed data that stacks on top of your existing plan and expire at the end of your billing cycle or within a set period. For example, a Weekend Warrior add-on offers 10 gigabytes of high-speed data for $15, valid only on weekends. Remember, add-ons are non-refundable, may have taxes and fees, and require an active Boost Mobile account. For a permanent data increase, consider upgrading your Boost Mobile plan. Upgrades involve switching to a higher tier plan with more included data. Initiate upgrades via the app or customer service. Upgrades are recurring, with prorated billing applied for the current cycle. Upgrading from the $35 month Connect plan with 2 gigabyte data to a higher tier plan with unlimited data adjusts your monthly rate immediately. Plan upgrades may also include perks like free streaming or international roaming. Plan upgrades are available to all prepaid users. The process takes 5 to 10 minutes, with confirmation via email, SMS.